What's up, guys? We're here, we're just looking at US 30 and do our pre market open analysis of what we're looking to expect. Um, so let's get into it. So, normally I would look at my 4 hours, but today I'm going to start at dailies. Now, guys, if you guys are looking correctly, you can see that this market is kind of a sideways market at the moment, coming out of a strong downtrend. This looks like a W pattern with a rejection down to the downside. I think it's gonna go up. Head to that 4 hour continuation going up. I've been doing some market analysis on US 30 gold and Nasdaq 100, but I've been watching them for a couple of weeks, just trying to see how they move. Basically, just see how they move, how they go to work and stuff like that. Now, that being said, I'm just looking at the pairs that I'll be interested in this week, see what's really happening, especially with GJ pairs. Those pairs that I'm interested in, I normally mark them off what I'll be looking at for the week. Looking at a lot of sell opportunities for the GBP pair, for the USD pairs, I should say. Just looking for a lot. Everything is looking a lot sellish. Everything that has USD look a lot sellish. As you guys can see, I've marked up my patterns, my trend lines. Just what looks good to me. That's what I'm basically doing. Just looking at pairs that look the best, patterns that I can actually see. And as I tell you guys, I never erase my chart, so I can see what's the previous trend line going up. Then we have trend break coming down. We got a break and retest right here of the previous trend line going down. So yeah, you got to look at the market as a whole and not in pieces, because if you look, this was a trend going up and then it started to do a downtrend coming down. It broke this previous trend line, retested the previous trend line, and it made its way down. Still in this channel coming down. If you guys look at it, it's still in that channel coming down. These lines were just take profits. I remember these lines. I had these as take profits. But that's the way how I'm looking at the market right now. Trying to see the market from, different angles, different situations. I realize the more time you spend on your charts, the more the better you get at, reading specific market situations. So yeah, let's just see what's happening. But I think this is a reversal. As I said, USD looking a lot sellish. If I'm gonna be honest, it looks a lot sellish for the next week. Just on how the market structure is positioned. Again, as I was saying, it looks a lot sellish. Euro USD. So I'm basically gonna focus on USD pairs this week. Oh my god, I just deleted this pair. I think this is Euro NZD. But you know, just doing my mark-offs. Now I'm gonna analyze one, show you guys. Let me analyze the best one, the best looking setup. All right, so this is Gbpusd. Let's do from the daily. Now, as you guys can see that the market is going, it's actually coming down. So we're in a downtrend. Sorry, this should be 200. My fault. So we normally use it 200 EMA, and it should be in red, and it should be a thick line. I like to do this thing. Yeah. So it tells like the downtrend. It tells where the market is going. So as you can see, we're in a downtrend. Market is clearly rejecting the 200 EMA. It comes all the way up here. Boom, rejection. Now, if you want to go down to the 4-hour, where you can see that it's clearly in this strong area right here of resistance. The market is not coming out of this zone, so we're gonna look for it to come back up to. Wait, my chart's looking a little funny. I don't know why my charts are looking like that. Anyways, so you can see that it's coming. It has come down here to that area of right here. I don't know why my charts are looking real weird. Let me see if I can fix this. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, because I was like, what the hell? Come down right here to that 1.1840 level, and then after that it moves back up. However, we can see that this is a downtrend. Why? Because if you look on the daily, it's at that downtrend. It's still below the 200 EMA, and we're working off the daily. So this is just a temporary move up. Still came back up to that area of strong resistance right here. If you realize there's massive rejections right here. Massive rejections. We got an indecision candle right here. However, we know that it's gonna come back down. Now, if you were to take this trade, I would go to the 15-minute. And as you can see, this is a very, very big gap. This is a very big gap to get filled. This will be my first trade of on market open, and that's because, as I've been telling you, if you can see, there has just been a lot of rejection in this area right here. Sorry. There's just been a lot of rejection in this area right here. So I'm using this arrow marker. I would normally use the rectangle, but I'm going to use the arrow this time. So if you should just scroll back across, see, it's just been massive rejections. break and retest. So if I was to take a trade, I would put my stops there. Let me show you. This would be my first trade. So we're gonna go short. I would enter somewhere about here, and I would put my stops here, and I'll be looking to take it all the way down here, because we still gotta fill this gap. Alright, so that would be my first trade, and I will take it at 0.50. Normally calculate my risk to reward, which would be where am I? Sorry, wrong thing. I will go here, pip calculator, and I will go GBPUSD. .50, and after 0.50 I would it's 111, and I would risk about 20 pips. Yeah, so guys, that's what I'll be risking, but that's the only trade I'll be giving out. I won't be calling out any other trades, but you can look out for these results. And 0.50 at 111, that's 550, and I'll double entry, of course. I normally do, I'll do double entries. I'll do I'll do 0.50 and 0.50, so that'll be 1,200, and I would have my take profits. I'll take my first TP would probably be this one, and then my second TP would be this one, and then if it holds right here, or if it breaks, depending on my third TP, would be all the way down here. But that's gonna be it, guys. I'm out.